Good morning. Today we shall be reading lesson 4 in the Bazaars of Hyderabad by Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. This poem was written at a time when the Britishers were ruling in India and people were boycotting the English goods. And Sarojini Naidu wanted to convey the message that India is rich in its traditional Indian products and Indians don't need the foreign products. Let us read the first stanza. What do you sell, O ye merchants? Richly your wares are displayed. These two lines is a question by the poet. She is asking the merchants. She is asking a question from the merchants. What are they selling? Their wares, their goods, articles are very nicely displayed. Very beautifully they have been arranged in the shops. भरी पड़ी हैं उनकी दुकानें, बहुत सुंदर तरीके से उनकी चीज़ें वेयर्स जो हैं वो डिस्प्लेड हुई हैं. व्हाट आर दोज थिंग्स, व्हाट आर दे सेलिंग? नाउ कम्स द रिप्लाई फ्रॉम द मर्चेंट्स. नेक्स्ट 4 लाइन्स इज द रिप्लाई फ्रॉम द मर्चेंट्स. वो कहते हैं वी आर सेलिंग, हम क्या बेच रहे हैं? टर्बन्स ऑफ क्रिम्सन एंड सिल्वर, डीप रेड और सिल्वर कलर की टर्बन्स वी आर सेलिंग. एंड पर्पल ब्रोकेड की ट्यूनिक्स. ट्यूनिक्स और पर्पल ब्रोकेड एक फैब्रिक है, उस फैब्रिक का बनी हुई ट्यूनिक्स वी आर सेलिंग. मिरर्स विद पैनल्स ऑफ एम्बर. एम्बर इज अ सब्सटेंस ऑफ येलो ग्रीन, येलो ब्राउनिश शेड. इट इज यूज्ड ऑल अराउंड द मिरर्स. तो वी आर सेलिंग मिरर्स विच इज फ्रेम्ड विद एम्बर. डैगर्स, चाकू बेच रहे हैं हम, विद हैंडल्स ऑफ जेड. जेड इज ए ग्रीन स्टोन. हमारे डैगर्स के जो हैंडल्स बने हुए हैं वो जेड स्टोन के बने हुए हैं. दीज आर द थिंग्स विच वी आर सेलिंग. देन अगेन शी विजिट्स द नेक्स्ट vendors and asks them, what are they weighing? What do you weigh? Vendors, what are you weighing? They say, we are weighing saffron and lentil and rice. केसर वे कर रहे हैं, दाल कर रहे हैं, राइस कर रहे हैं. What do you grind, O ye maidens? O you young girls, what are you grinding? Now comes the reply from the girls. वो जवाब देती हैं कि we are grinding sandalwood, henna and spice. हम सैंडलवुड ग्राइंड कर रही हैं, मेहंदी एंड मसालों को कर रही हैं. What do you call, O ye peddlers? O फेरी वालों, what are you crying and selling? They answer. वो जवाब क्या देते हैं? We are selling chessmen and ivory dice. We are selling chessmen and dice made of ivory. Chessmen and dice made from ivory for the game of chess. Peddlers ये बेच रहे हैं. What do you make, O ye goldsmiths? What are you making? O goldsmiths, what are you making? आंसर अब आ रहा है. दिस इज द आंसर. दे से कि वी आर मेकिंग रिसलेट, एंकलेट एंड रिंग. रिसलेट आम में पड़ती है, एंकलेट पैर में होती है, रिंग. और हम ये सब बना रहे हैं. बेल्स, वी आर मेकिंग घुंघरू, बेल्स बना रहे हैं. बेल्स फॉर द फीट ऑफ ब्लू पिजन्स. फॉर द ब्लू पिजन्स, देयर फीट आर सो डेलिकेट. तो फॉर देम द बेल्स विल बी सो डेलिकेट. तो वी आर मेकिंग बेल्स. पिजन goldsmiths are making bells for the feet of the blue pigeons, and bells are frail, very thin, light as a dragonfly's wing. During the monsoon season, during the rainy season, dragonfly you see all around the light. Their wings are very, very delicate and very thin and very light. So these bells are as light as the wings of the dragonfly. Okay, the goldsmiths are making very thin and light-weighted bells. Girdles of gold for the dancers. They are making golden girdles for the dancers and golden and scabbards of gold. स्कैबर्ड्स होते हैं म्यान, शीथ जिसमें सोर्ड को किंग रखते हैं, शीथ्स ऑफ गोल्ड फॉर द king's swords. So we are making these things. These are the answers by goldsmiths. Now she asks the fruitman. What do you cry, O you fruitman? What are you selling? Her next visit is to a fruitman's shop. She is asking fruitman, what are you selling? What are you crying selling? Citron, big lemon, pomegranate and plum we are selling. All these things, plums we are selling, pomegranate and citrons we are selling. What do you play, oh musicians? Which instrument you are playing, musicians? Then they give the answer. We are playing on the sitar, sarangi and drum. Now she goes to the magicians. Firstly, she goes to the musicians. Now she has gone to the magicians. Magicians, those who play some magic. What do you chant? Oh, you magicians, what are you chanting? They say we are chanting for the eons to come. Eons are the divine power. It is to come and help us to perform our magical spells. We are calling the eons to come and help us so that we can perform our magical spells very nicely. What do you weave, oh ye flower girls? What are you weaving? Now next is the turn of the flower girls. The poet asks them. With tassels of azure and red. Azure is the blue color. Tassels क्या होते हैं? जो silken threads होते हैं. But here this have been used for the flowers of red and blue flowers. You are making so many garlands. You are weaving with blue and red flowers. What are you weaving for? They say the answer is, flower girls answer that we are weaving crowns. We are making सेहरा जिसको बोलते हैं, crowns for the forehead of a bridegroom. For the bridegroom, we are making a crown of flowers. Chaplets to garland his bed. Chaplets भी garlands होते हैं. Garlands to decorate. Here the next garland is a verb. To decorate, to adorn bridegroom's wedding bed. For his wedding night, they are making garlands. The sheets of white blossoms, white flowers, newly gathered fresh white flowers, they are making sheets. Girls say that we are making sheets of white flowers in order to perfume the sleep of the dead. So in order to perfume, to give fragrance to the grave of a dead man. On the one side they are decorating the room, the bed of a bridegroom. On the other side they are decorating the grave of a dead man. Grave of a dead man. They are gathering, weaving flowers in order to make the dead man's grave scented, perfumed. Okay, children, read this poem carefully, learn the poem, and I will be sending you reference to context and theme of the poem. Write them in your notebook. Thank you.